Hello friends, today I will explain to you how easy it is to prepare butter at home in just under 5 minutes. Creamy and rich butter with the right ingredients and the right tool. It is so easy to prepare. Let's see how we are going to do it. So here I had a double cream or whipping cream which I accidentally kept in the freezer. I had kept to chill but I forgot to remove, so it got frozen. So this has been thawed at room temperature for around 1 hour and I am transferring it to a large mixing bowl. So into this I will add in 1 more cup of ice cold water. The cream must not be frozen. If frozen, this is the only option, we can prepare butter with it. So here I am using an electric beater. I am beating it for around 4 minutes, starting at low speed and then increasing the speed to like 4 and beating for around 4 minutes. So I'll forward the video to show you how quick it is. So by 4 minutes the butter fat will be separated from the whey or the liquid content in the cream. So if you don't have a electric beater like this one, you can use the normal mixer jar, the big one, and in 2 batches you can do this process of separating the butter. So now you can see that the butter has come up. I will squeeze out the whey from or the buttermilk from the butter. So this takes around another 2 more minutes. You are going to press out the butter and transferring it to a bowl of fresh ice cold water. So if the buttermilk remains or the whey remains, butter will get spoiled. So this fresh butter will remain good for up to 2 weeks in the chiller. You have to squeeze out all the whey from the butter. So this do this process, and now it becomes difficult for me to take out the butter. So again I will beat using the beater for another 1 minute. So continue this process until you get all the butter from the whey. This whey can be used for making chapati dough. I had made it into kubus to make my shawarma. So you can remove the butter easily each time by beating. You can see how much butter is coming up. So from the 1 liter of the cream, I got around 500 grams of unsalted butter. If you have a stand mixer, you can achieve this in just 3 minutes. So if you are having an electric beater or a mixer grinder, this is the process that you have to follow. Now I have removed all the butter to a clean bowl of ice water, or you can even use tap water which is cold, but kindly see it is not at room temperature, it must be below 25 degrees. Now I am cleaning the butter in this water and I will wash and remove the water 2 times. I will squeeze out all the whey or the buttermilk which will spoil the butter, and I am transferring it to a clean bowl. Now you can mix in salt. It's optional. If you want, you can mix it, transfer it to a rectangular tray and chill it. And your wonderful creamy butter is ready for use. Thank you, and let me know your feedback.